Hi, Owen. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I called earlier today and I told you that I was going to be sending you the screencast, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site a little bit, one of your top competitors' sites a little bit, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in traffic to your site. And so, whenever I send these out, typically when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is into it, they decide that they want to team up. So, if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out. But without further ado, let's get into it. So, right here, I am on your website, which actually looks very nice and professional. So it's easy to navigate and it looks good, but as you can see, there's not a lot of content on here. And so Google's going to be ranking you based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. Typically, you want to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on this home page. I actually did a word counter, and you guys have 475. So we definitely want to add some more content, and we also want to make sure that that content is going to be high quality educational content. Google is going to come through here and they're going to read through and they are going to deem whether or not that your content is going to help their users find the information or the services that they need. So we want a lot of good quality content, and we also want that content to be filled with good high powered keywords that are going to bring in a lot of traffic. So over here I am on Google. The keyword that I will be using for today's video is mold remediation, Staten Island, NY. This is a really good keyword. It brings in around 300 searches per month. So even if you're getting a few of those as customers, you're doing pretty well just off of one keyword. So right here at the top is typically where we're going to see our Google ads. There aren't any popping up right now, but Google ads are a very good way to get your name out there while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. If you do them correctly. If you don't, they are actually a pretty big money pit, but if done correctly, they are a good way to kind of get some brand recognition right away. So underneath that, where it would usually be, here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so you need to be in the top 3 spot to get on this front page. And in order to do that, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is when your business is listed on different local directories all over the web. So think Yellow Pages, think Yext, think Yelp. Those are 3 examples of high-powered, highly trusted directories that people use a lot and can find you on. And so you want to have good, high-powered citations, and you want to have more than these guys right here. And so down here, these are our organic search results. This is definitely where you want to be. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to actually click on one of these organic search results right here. So the number 1 person is precisionmoldremoval.com. You can take a look at their site. Precision Mold Removal, I have seen many times working with other people around the country. They are a national brand, but they actually aren't that big. So usually if I see them at the top of the page, it means that they're, your area is pretty beatable. You guys could rank semi-easily. And so if we do go through their site, though, you can see that they have a lot of content. And if you take a closer look, they do have a lot of keywords. So we definitely want to do that for you guys. And so the number 1 way that you are going to get up here, though, is going to be through backlinks. And so backlinks are basically just getting a shout out from another website. So the web is basically just made up of websites linking websites, businesses linking businesses. And you want high-powered local websites that are relevant to your business to give you these backlinks. So if a trusted local plumbing company or construction company or real estate agent were to give you guys a shout out, a backlink, that would be very useful for you guys. It would give you guys a lot of power for your site. And so if you ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest you get this tool. This is Ahrefs.com. It costs me around $400 per month to use, but it gives a lot of good information. So right here, as you can see, they have 1,580 backlinks from 270 different sites. and they are ranking for 2,500 keywords. So we can actually click on these and see which ones they are ranking for. But keep in mind these guys are national, so let's just look at the ones that have NY. And so here we can see what keywords they're ranking for, how many people are searching for that keyword a month. We can see how much traffic they get from that keyword and what position they hold for it on Google. And so we can kind of go through here, see which keywords are the best, the most people are searching for, and we can find ways to incorporate those keywords into your content on your website and start getting you some more traffic. And so the same way that we just went through their keywords, we can do with their backlinks as well. So you want to go for their high-powered backlinks. Right here, this is how they rank them. This is a domain rating, DR. It goes from 1 to 100. You want to have closest to 100 as possible. So we can go through here and decide which ones are worth snagging for your website. And we also want to outdo him, so we want to get far more than the amount he has right here. But which, it sounds like a lot, but it's definitely doable. But also do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services you provide in one of the areas that you provide it. So we definitely want to outrank everyone. So just keep in mind this is just one competitor. So right here, I pulled up your site. Right now you have 500 backlinks from 48 different domains, and you're ranking for 80 keywords. So really quickly, we'll look at this. So here we can see which keywords we're going for. And so as you can see, this has a lot of volume, but mold treatment cost, that is going to be more of a national keyword. That's not really going to be location specific. And location specific keywords tend to have more of a buyer's intent. So we're not only just going for volume, we want keywords that people are searching for when they're really looking to buy something from you. Cool. So that's pretty much what I have for you today. So to kind of recap what we talked about is number one, we want to get more content with the right keywords. Number two is we want more citations to get you on the Google Map Pack. And then number three, we want some more high-powered backlinks. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. If you're interested in getting to know more or possibly teaming up, please feel free to email me back, or you can give me a call at 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day.